Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to find Fidelity account number. Now, you can do this through various ways. You can do this from the mobile app, online banking, bank statements, and checks. For the mobile app, guys, you just log into your Fidelity mobile app, navigate to the account section. This is usually found at the bottom of the navigation bar, and your Fidelity accounts will be displayed and the corresponding 9-digit account number as well will be shown under each account name. Okay, and if you want to using online banking, just log in to your Fidelity online banking account, click on the account name for which you need the account number, and then click on details to see the full account number. And guys, if you want to do this through bank statements, your full account number is usually displayed on your Fidelity bank statements. And if you want to do this using checks, guys, if you have a checking account with Fidelity, the account number is also printed on your paper checks between the bank's routing number and check number. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.